do you think?
What's Carter? Boarding pass? You're kidding. To Italy? Seriously? Is this a joke? Ist das so wie mit dem Schwangerschaftsding? Ja.
Honestly, I might catch a flight tonight, just in time to pick you up and see the sunrise. Days with you are my getaway, peace of mind on a rainy day. You know how to show up right on time, never late. You're everything I want, don't play. You're everything I need, don't change the way you feel. And baby, I'ma keep it real. If they gave me everything, I would give it all away for you.
Hello guys, welcome to Germaicanexperience. My name is Gabi and behind the camera is Chrissy.
Yeah, the Chrissy.
And guess where we are?
Where are we?
We are in Milan, in Italy.
Wow.
Made it.
Yes.
Made it. A
Finally.
long day's journey, but we finally made it and it's just awesome.
Yeah, guys. So see,
It's not too cold.
this here is the train station.
Let me just arrive. And
Then,
I really love this building here. There's something there on top.
yeah, so cool.
And of course, guys, you know it's Christmas time, so. And look here, they are doing ice skating.
Ah, yeah. Let's show them the ice skaters.
Okay, that's where we are. We are trying to find our hotel and some food, hopefully, and the Duomo. For tomorrow morning early, we will be leaving to where again? Rome? Tomorrow we are going to Rome.
I want, watch out. I want some good Italian food, guys. Some nice pasta.
Yes.
Why is this camera looking up on me like?
Ja, die tut halt das etwas interessanter.
Probably was not a flattering angle.
Und die Kamera macht aber eigentlich ganz gut mit dem Ding da.
Wow.
Tickets. Habe ich kaputt, ne?
Oh,
I
already
love Italian. I love how it sounds. Just like I love French too.
French is hard.
Yeah. Prego. Ti amo.
Ja.
Das Einzige, was ich nicht weiß, was heißt Tür.
Aber die machen ja normalerweise die haben ja überall Zeichnen. Augen.
Something to it?
Ile pizzeria or restaurant? You would do like pizza, pasta or typical plate Milano? Where are you from? Germany. Ah, tickets? I have a pizza.
Guys, we have a double cocktail, whatever, I don't know what it is.
Adesso lui a 30 giorni per andare a 90
What do
giorni.
you have?
90 giorni per andare a fare
Something. But you can drink that in Germany as well.
Also double.
Double.
Però è così, come dici tu.
So then just
Guys,
drug
we
with
just
soap.
them just one way over.
Don't come here.
But we don't know what it is.
Però intanto guarda, chiamiamo noi, non arriva mai le polizie dei carabinieri. Chiama qualcuno arriva subito, giusto?
Voi dove fammi vedere una live e prende.
Andiamo qua.
Che mi sono vedere che fastidio. I'm just too hot, you know.
I was ready to run away, yeah?
I would do it.
I know how to budget. I don't care how much you need.
Never scare me enough.
Yeah, I don't want to say it. See, I'm broke. You're scared me.
Remember when you come in here?
You're scared me.
Basta stasera. Avvocato, devo raccontare una cosa.
Maybe it's not so bad and maybe
No, adesso avvocato.
This is Italian service.
otherwise we just wash them over the video.
Next ones, when we're going to end, this should happen again. We look at cat.
Just one.
So we want to be silent. Thank you, no better.
No, not like that. Somebody else in the engagement, they just have one.
Now in terms of which
Ma io mica ti ho detto di riscaldarlo, avvocato, dopo
Ma
ci
dice
apro
che sei a me,
capito? Ha detto no, ha detto innanzitutto ha detto no, lui ha cominciato così.
schmeckt gut ein.
Ha detto prima di tutto, ha detto che poi ci sono, ha detto che 15 euro devo pagare.
Ein
Ha detto ma lo devo pagare. Mi sta dicendo che non lo vuoi pagare. Prima me lo
So we're gonna tell the story. We're gonna tell the story piece piece. We're gonna tell the story piece piece.
Memory and thing.
We're gonna tell the story piece piece, yes.
ho detto non lo vuoi pagare, ho detto questa cosa qua.
We're gonna tell the story piece piece. So guys, we're just walking here
No, ma all'improvviso
and what you think about Milan in Germany?
vedi un po' due.
Them just run over with guys. The guy come, him ask me, you want this, you want that? You want it double? And I'm like, no, I don't want this, I don't want that, I want, okay, double. And I was like that, and then after we take a game Spanish card at the menu, everything was like 30 or 35 for the drinks that I double, who knows how much. So maybe,
You know, fish most expensive.
that's why I did that half of my fish first. But then when he tell me say he have calamari, I say, and they feel calamari. And what else? Yeah, tell the rest of the story, mommy.
Really, what else? Not everything. It's stuck.
Yeah, so tell
Because that's from Hungary, so that's how come they end up here. They would have walked like for a while and see what comes our
but the
way.
man drag us.
Are you following?
So I mean, am I?
Hopefully food will be alright.
No, all of the project doing the cruise.
Can't stop scaring me no please.
Yeah, the one that scared me with that.
You know, so only after that.
Yeah.
But everybody have paid the food since you were at it.
Chicken stai qua di là avvocato voleva fare il grande così, no? Ho detto vabbè, ho detto vai, là, penso che sono girato un po', dopo lui è vicino alla porta, avvocato, aspetta che ti voglio filmare la faccia, avvocato mi ha detto così.
So guys,
Avvocato per farmi niente, avvocato, ho detto ma come? Ho detto non so, ho detto non ti faccio pagare l'arancino, ho detto tu mi vuoi filmare con la mia faccia, ho detto io, ho detto ma
See
stai
when the food is here.
as to the first impression. So guys, check out the food we have. What is it called? Carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara.
And this is bruschetta. This is Milano rice. And they said this is Milano chicken. But it looks like German schnitzel. What do you think of your pasta?
You know, I just tried a tiny little bit, couldn't wait. And so far it tastes like spaghetti carbonara.
What do you think?
Tasty, has little pepper. It's very hot, so it's coming out fresh up general.
That's good. So guys, I'm gonna try it. It looks like German schnitzel. Germany, we
You look so serious today.
serious.
You have a gigantic schnitzel, no?
But in Germany, schnitzel is pork. No?
No, but we have chicken schnitzel and turkey schnitzel.
Right. The rest is different for sure.
Like from like a risotto kind of looking. Very nice.
The rice, yes, the rice looks milky. Tastes milky.
Milky.
I didn't put milk in here. So guys, you've made it to almost the end of our video. We just want to tell you all what happened after the last clip. So we are already in the second day.
Yeah, we actually are.
Yes, so that happened last night. And yeah, we just want to share with you what happened.
Remember last night we showed you the restaurant and I had spaghetti carbonara and Crystal had the schnitzel Milanese.
They call it like a Milan chicken and Milan rice. That's how they sold it to us.
Yeah,
But it's like schnitzel for us in Germany. It looks like schnitzel.
Only flatter.
Flatter,
Definitely.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and we were already telling you all in the restaurant. I don't know if you could hear, but like that they were really suspicious. They dragged us in there.
And we let us drag.
I wanted to run away. Mommy said, no, we cannot do that. After I got bad vibes.
Because we all used to be waitress maybe one time in our life. Like also you have manners and you don't
No,
just
but
run
I
away.
wanted to run away right after the order.
Yeah, I know I should listen to you.
Right after the order is still fine. Because we came in and he just like, you want this, you want that, you want that, you want? And he was like upselling everything. It's
Yeah,
like,
but we didn't take exactly what he was saying. We did take spaghetti carbonara, which normally isn't so expensive.
yes.
And you did have what you have like. And
But he tried to sell me like fish. But then I found out it was calamari. I was like, no, but that probably would have
Thanks
been
God you
so
don't like
expensive.
calamari.
Yes. And then the drinks, he was like double. And
Yeah, but 20 euro for your drinks also I could live with.
yeah, you're giving away some parts now. So the end of so the whole thing was, we already had a sketchy vibe before the food came. Just alone how the order went off. We're like, mommy, let's go. This is weird. Because like after he took the order, I saw in the menu like 30-40 euros meals.
Yeah, and it was close to the train station and the place didn't look so special from inside like you would say, are you in some hype kind of place? I don't mind paying big money like also if I choose to.
Yes.
And the place looked like it,
Yeah,
you know.
but it didn't look.
No.
And then we opened up the menu and we said the price. I was like, mommy, let's go. Mommy said, no, can I do it? But it was like right
But I
after
didn't
the
think
order.
spaghetti carbonara could cost that friggin' much.
I told you it was like 35 is on the menu. But
I don't
anyways,
even want to be reminded.
so then we're there eating and we're just thinking, okay, this place is probably gonna come up to like 100 or so. That's gonna be really expensive.
Yeah, even 120 I was considering, yeah.
How much was it, mommy?
165! I almost fell off my chair and I looked at him also. What did I say?
We were
Rip
so
off.
pissed. Yeah, mommy was like, no.
And the first time I ever got mad in a restaurant, ever.
And then the guy had the
He
audacity.
said, no!
Tip?
Yeah, and under the bill what he gave us a receipt, like also was written also like 10% if you are nice. and 20% if you are very nice.
Yes, and the girl's like,
So from 165 euro, I really give him 10% tip or so, and you're mad. Because I sure know or really believe that he definitely made some money out of us. Most definitely.
I don't know how him did.
Yeah, I think it's some kind of deal with the restaurant. I don't know.
Like him come and him said,
I mean, you have people who invite you to come inside the restaurant and stuff like, you know, so that may be normal. But he did do it really in some wild way.
Like,
and he didn't even want us to keep the receipt.
yes, he wanted to take the receipt. That was so fishy.
And I still have it. It still don't make no sense.
164, guys. We could eat for all 3 days in the evening for that money.
Yeah, and that's on our first day.
Yeah, so Milan traumatized us. After that, we
and
went.
we didn't get to see Domo or anything. It was too late anyway. That was one thing.
I think it spoiled our mood too. You know, like.
Yeah, but it was 12 o'clock in the night.
Yeah, but our mood was spoiled after that.
Totally.
Probably if it was good food,
we were so upset.
would be more.
Yeah, the carbonara was okay.
The carbonara was really good. Like I was pleasantly surprised.
Got some bruschetta.
But the rice was no, it was too milky for me.
Risotto.
Risotto or
but she
whatever.
didn't like it. Yeah, but that was that story. So since then, I realized I'm traumatized. I found out that today.
Yes.
Because remember we said we are in Napoli, we have to eat pizza because that's where pizza was invented and made, and you know it's very special. And so we went another 5,000 kilometers out there and searched for a restaurant and couldn't first find one. And when we then find some, also the people they come out and just like that guy sort of like.
Yeah, they kind of approach us and like, and it traumatized us.
Yeah, we are really traumatized.
But this one place I said to mommy, like, first we went there and we saw the menu, and the menu looked okay, because that's the thing. Yesterday we didn't see the menu before. He was just like, you want this, you want that, you want this, you want that. And then after we saw the menu, and I was like, run. But today I saw the menu at that one place. I'm like, mommy, the prices look good, let's go. But then
but you did look at the menu yesterday too.
No, that was after.
Outside.
I didn't see prices. I just saw the food pictures.
And we looked online, you know, and we found some.
No, I didn't see the prices yesterday, or else it wouldn't be.
No,
there.
but we looked online, and there were some remarks, comments from people who went to the restaurant. Also, say thieves.
Thieves, yes. Same comments, same what do you call it? Reviews. Same reviews were under the picture.
So when you see the video and you ever come to Milan, also don't you ever go to that restaurant.
Yeah, I don't remember the name, but you will see it.
You will so regret it.
Because we filmed the beginning of going in, and don't go there, guys. Don't go there. Robbery.
Terrible.
Robbery.
And yes, I wish I would run with you.
And today now, after we saw the price, I said, Mommy, look, these prices are good. But because the guy came out and was
and
like...
I'm willing to even spend money also. If the place is right and the food is right also, but not 165 euro. For that money I can eat in Frankfurt in the most
yes.
high.
I don't think we ever spend so much money. Like even with Sarah and the three of us eating somewhere, never so much money. Like
yeah, and
not even
good places too on occasion.
Like not even for a birthday dinner, Mommy, where you know we like to go more fancier place. For the three of us, never so expensive.
Imagine you're going on a holiday for just 2 days. I mean full days, you know, I'm not talking about coming and going and stuff like, and you already have spent almost 200 euro out of your budget. Just like that.
And that could have fed us for like 3 days. So anyways, I was saying that you were so traumatized.
Yeah, you don't?
No, because Mommy,
You were traumatized too.
Yes,
don't lie.
I was traumatized. I made sure to look at the bill, the menu first, and the prices were good. I said, Mommy, let's go in. But because the guy came out,
yeah, I run.
Mommy run. And I'm like, we could have had a nice little ambiance right now.
But we have a nice ambiance now.
I was thinking like pasta today. I was really feeling pasta. Because Mommy pasta was so good yesterday. I was like, I want pasta today. And you will get pizza. But it's okay. We're traumatized still. Hopefully tomorrow I get my pasta.
Yes.
So anyways, guys.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment below.